So finally you have completed this course, and I would like to congratulate you for completing all of the modules, lessons, quizzes and questions of this complete course. Although there are plenty of questions and exercises provided at the end of every module, but still if you feel that you need more exercises and more questions for practicing, then you can enroll in this AutoCAD 2D and 3D practice drawing course, which is completely free. And there are lots of 2D questions as well as 3D questions, but you can practice with the 2D questions which are relevant to this course. Also, you can visit the SourceCAD website and you can enroll in the newsletter, and that way we can keep in touch, and you'll also get lots of AutoCAD tips, tricks, videos, ebooks and other information on weekly and monthly basis. And I would also like to thank you for allowing me to teach you AutoCAD 2018 and the related topics. It was a great experience, and I'm looking forward to interact with you with your questions and suggestions. So thanks once again for enrolling in this course, and I wish you a very good luck for all of your future endeavors and for your career.